Jingle bell.
Hey y'all, my name is Kimberly. It's the name of the channel. I am Kimberly P. If you haven't already, go ahead, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn your notification bell on so you be notified when I post another video. Welcome back to Vlogmas. I'm back. I took a little break. As y'all seen in the last video, y'all got two Vlogmas days together, because first Vlogmas 20th, I ain't really do nothing. It wasn't even enough to make a 2-minute video, so I'm not putting that out. I just add it on to the next day. But here we are, Vlogmas 23rd. So we're in Indiana right now. I just got done taking a shower and all that extra, doing my hair, all that. We got to pull up to the fuel aisle, fill up everything. Grab 2 more cases of water. I got trash up here in the front I need to throw out, and I need to grab me some more energy drinks because my body didn't got like used to Celsius, so I'm stopped drinking Celsius and I'm picking up another energy drink. Stupid, right? But I need something while I cannot just be out here without nothing. And coffee don't do nothing for me, but maybe go to the bathroom. That's a natural laxative for me. But anyway, I just want to start this vlog off, let y'all know what's going on, and I'll meet y'all at the fuel pump. Y'all, so we stopped over in this little truck parking area to use the restroom, and I'm gonna take a 30-minute break because I got a couple of trucks that's trying to get me to pass them on this 2-lane freaking toll road, and I ain't got time to play with them. So they get them 30 minutes to go on up the road because they slowing down just to slow down, because I tried to pass them at first and they wouldn't let me pass. So I said, all right, I ain't about to sit and play with you. They sped up, so I slowed back down and got behind them. And all of a sudden they just slowed down and trying to get me to pass them. So you can go play games with somebody else because I got all day. Anyway, y'all, I ended up getting this darn y'all know my blueberry muffins I was talking about anyway. This the brand Quickery Bake Shop. You get it from Quick Trip. But this, I never tried the pistachio muffin, so we about to try that real quick. I always get the blueberry. 550 calories. God damn. I like pistachios, but I never had it in like sweets. Besides, I know it probably tastes alright like ice cream. As far as like a muffin, I don't know. This is what it look like. It's moist and soft like how the blueberry muffins be. It's alright. It's sweet. I thought it was gonna be like a salty taste. That's good. Would I buy it again? Yeah, but that's all I had left. But I wasn't going there just for no damn pistachio muffin. It's pretty good. I'm about to finish eating this, use the restroom, take a 30-minute break, and get back on the road. Y'all up. I forgot to pick y'all up when I got here. Well, I picked y'all up when I got here, but I forgot to pick y'all up going into their office to get the paperwork or whatever. But I'm about to pull off to the side real quick and fix my tandem tires before I go out this gate. Put my waist shaper back on, and we're gonna go try to find somewhere to park. 2.5 hours. Last night these roads was clear. It was just only wet because of rain. Now look at this shit. And I'm in Ohio. Headed to Indiana. That blizzard came through, boy. When I tell you this gonna be my last winter, it's gonna be my last winter. When I tell y'all it's so cold, I didn't even put my wig on. I don't even feel like putting my wig. I don't care what the fuck I look like right now. When it's cold, I don't care what the fuck I look like. I'm gonna clean and comfortable. I don't care what the heck I look like. I got the scully on. My hair ain't even done up under the scully. I just slapped the scully on to cover up my hair and threw some earrings. And this is what they get. Hell, they might get it till I go home. Cause boy, look at here. I need to wash my hair anyway. It's time to wash my hair and deep conditioning. And I was gonna do that before I go home and braid it down, so when I do go home, my sister can just install my wig for me. Anyway, it's Friday, December the 23rd. Yeah, that's crazy. I got to drive slow. I'm gonna get out and do my little walk around, make sure I'm still connected or whatever. Normally I have snow up on my hood, on top of my hood, but I think because I cranked my trunk up like 2 hours ago that it didn't melted and fell off because my whole windshield was on. I still got ice on my windshield wipers. But my whole windshield was covered. But this is the time I wish I had my hot tea, my hot water maker, so I could go on this darn windshield and melt that ice on the windshield wipers. I should have left them on last night. That's what I should have did. I wasn't even thinking about it. I was just, child, I wasn't expecting to wake up to this. But I gotta hurry up and get the fuck up out of here. Hurry up and get the fuck up out of here. Trying to be snowed in for Christmas. Anyway, I just want to start this vlog off. Well, because it's a continuation of yesterday's vlog because I didn't have enough footage. But I'm going to get out and do my little walk around, child. Make sure I'm still connected. And then the wind will keep blowing and I'm empty. Child, the ghetto, the ghetto, the ghetto. All you gotta do is be more cautious than you normally be when you drive in face freezing, it's so cold. Yeah, when I tell y'all I'm gonna bust my ass out there when I got outside this truck and go get on the stove to use the restroom and wash my hands. I mean, bust my ass clean. I caught myself, but shoot, I about freaking pulled a hamstring trying to catch myself. Child, we stuck in. I hate fucking Ohio. I hate it. Excuse my language, but I hate it. I hate it. Every time I always get stuck when it starts. Winter time, I always get stuck in Ohio. And Ohio do not fucking damn do shit to their roads. It's like they wait till the damn snow come down and then decide that, oh, well, we might as well sweep up the streets. This will never look like this up here in goddamn. When I tell you I was in, where I was at? Last winter, and matter of fact, I vlogged it. I had got stuck in up there by West Virginia, I think it was, up there by Connecticut somewhere. When I tell you, I think them motherfuckers must be catching the snow before it hit the ground. Then it was snowing like how it is, real bad blizzard like how it is now. I was stuck in my darn truck for a whole day. That next morning, baby, the roads was clear, like the freaking sun had them melted everything. I said, dang, them street people must have was out here catching the snow before it hit the ground. They the only ones up north, they the only ones that got their freaking snow under control. Over here in Ohio, these motherfuckers be like, shit, well, we'll see how much melt, then we get the rest of it up. Anyway, I'm pissed because when I sit still, I ain't making no money, but I'm empty. That's the other reason. I'm 100 miles away. I done drove 50 miles. I'm 100 miles away from where I'm supposed to pick up from, but I can't go because freaking these roads, you can barely see the darn road as y'all seen earlier. And the wind speed is so freaking high, and the fact that I ain't got no weight in my trailer, I'm empty. My trailer just fishtailing the darn lane, whatever the part of the lane that I can see. So anyway, I came to this truck stop, filled up my tanks, my fuel or whatever. I guess they thing had froze up because I couldn't get no death up out of them. And grabbed me 2 slices of pizza, even though I got food back there or whatever. I just wanted something hot, which I got hot food back there. I just went to like cooking it. Anyway, so I guess I'm gonna sit here and see what how it's gonna look in the morning, early morning when the sun come back out. I'm gonna try it again. If they don't take the load up off me, I pray they take the load up off of me and give me something else to get and switch all my pre-plans around, because she already gave me pre-plans to get me home by the 29th. I hate the freaking winter time. I hate it. I hate it. Tell you this is my last winter. This is my last winter. Anyway, ain't too much gonna be left in this vlog. When I tell you it's so freaking cold outside, my face freezing up, like the wind blowing it, and it's like freaking my toes. Child, frostbite weather. It's what this darn thing say it is. Child, it's -7. Feel like negative fucking damn 27. Anyway, it ain't gonna be too much left for this vlog, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog right here so I can go ahead and edit and get it out for the day for y'all. And I just let y'all know what's going on tomorrow, child. And my battery about to go dead anyway. And my little friend calling me, so I got to go. I'll talk to y'all later. Thank you made it this vlog. Thank you for watching. Go ahead and hit that like button, the subscribe button, change the notification bell on so you know if I want to post another video. And I'll see y'all later.